How to fix search filter error or not applying changes. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. The search filter is not applying changes on the Badoo app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're having a search filter error not applying changes on Badoo application, there could be various reasons behind this. First of all, ensure that it's not the issue with your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. Now, search filter as in whatever else you're trying to arrange over here by going to these options. After you make any type of filter, do not forget to tap on this apply filters button because that could be missing out and that is why you could be having the issue as well. After you've done that, you want to ensure that your app is updated to the latest versions. So go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Badoo app and check if it has an update available. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the app to see if that helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.